remember that advert, the Palmolive advert? You make me feel, you make me feel. And then there was all these ladies like bathing themselves in like 1,000 baths in the sky. You make me feel like a natural woman. Well, we're about to make this soap here feel like a natural. Go around in the microwave and let's see what's gonna happen. Will it boil? Will it melt? Will it catch a light? Will it cook? Oh, it smells fine. What flavor is this? Balanced and mild. You can see how balanced and mild you're gonna be after you deal with the microwave. I'm not gonna stop saying that. It looks like the bad guy in a James Bond movie. It's like blowing up. The microwave is steaming. It wants to smell good, but it can't. So it starts melting at 6 minutes 30 seconds. Start smelling like at 5 minutes 20 seconds. Alright, so soap melts. Experimentable.